Hello coders, I'm back again with another Excel video, and in this video I'll be demonstrating autofill in MS Excel and the traditional way, and there's a extra other way. So what autofill? It's simply whenever you are feeding in a Excel a pattern. So the pattern here is the first number will be 1 while the second number will be 4, which basically means that the pattern is something like the numbers are getting increased where the step value is 3. So now if I drag all the way across to the down, that's autofill. So based on some pattern, the cells immediately below it, it will be autofilled by Excel according to some pattern which which you're feeding into Excel. Now there are also Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so month, Tuesday, Wait or Jan, Feb, March. These are autofill features in Excel. So how about this one? I'll be writing 1ST and then press enter. Now if I drag this 1ST all the way across to the down, what would happen is that it would first, then second, then third, then fourth. Now we can just step in one more, step in one more ahead. That is, we can make this ST loop the way it should loop. That is, either it should be a superscript or a subscript. So super means that this ST will be written at the top of this particular one, while subscript means this ST will be written at the bottom of it. So if you find it difficult to differentiate between super and the sub, something like Superman or superintendent, who superintendent meaning someone is having rank greater than you, that's super. Or maybe Superman, superhuman, so he is having some strength more than you. So super basically means that it will be putting the number at the top of that particular this one. So after that, right click on it and then just simply go to this format cell dialog box, and then from the here it is superscript or subscript. If you want that particular ST to appear at the top of that one, you can apply the superscript file. If you want it to appear below that one ST, simply choose the sections subscript, then OK. Now after making any changes or entering some value in a cell in Excel, we generally press enter from our keyboard to make that change come into effect. Now let me drag all the way across to the down, whatever how which way ever you just wish to fill it up. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is how subscript would look. Now let me again write 1ST, and this time we will be choosing the second option, that is super. So again I'll be selecting this two one and then going to the format cell, and from the sub we'll be selecting this one. Yeah, super fine. Now as I already mentioned that after entering some or some making some changes in some cell in Excel, we have to press enter. Now let me drag all the way across to the down. So that's how superscript and subscript, first, second and third. So this is autofill and this is autofill based on first, second, third. That's all for this short video. Thank you all guys and happy coding.